Hey guys, in this one we're taking our first look at using the laws of logarithms to simplify expressions. So this is a nice little stepping stone on our path to solving equations, getting used to how logs work. So our laws, we saw in the last video hopefully, these are our laws of logs. So first of all, we're going to take a look at examples where we're using the first two to simplify multi-term expressions into a single log term. So let's get cracking. Okay, first example, we want to simplify log base 2 of 7 plus log base 2 of 5. So we're using the addition law, so this becomes log base 2 of 7 times 5, so log base 2 of 35. Good times. Second example, log base 3 of 4 plus log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 of 5. So it's one long chain of addition, so we simply multiply the numbers in the logs together. Notice too, each log is in the same base. They have to be, otherwise the laws don't hold. So this is going to be log base 3 of 4 times 2 times 5. So 4 times 2 times 5 is 40. So it's log base 3 of 40. Okay, example 3. So this time we're doing log 12 minus log 6. So remember, if ever you see just a log written without a base, if it's log, it's base 10. But we don't really care for this, we just want to write this as a single log. So with subtraction, we divide 12 by 6, because we've got log 12 minus log 6. So this is going to give us log 2. Good times. Okay, next up, we've got log base 5 of 8 plus log base 5 of 6 minus log base 5 of 2. So we've got an addition and then a subtraction. Just work left to right. So log base 5 of 8 plus log base 5 of 6 is going to give us log base 5 of 48, and then we've got minus log base 5 of 2. So now we've got the subtraction, so we do 48 divided by 2, so we get log base 5 of 24. Good times. Okay, these rules are exactly the same for natural logarithms, so ln logs. Remember, ln is just a logarithm with a base of e. So log 7 plus log 8 is just going to be log 56. Log 28 minus log 7 is going to be log 4. We're doing 28 divided by 7. Okay, now let's have a look at using the third rule. So here we want to write the logs that we are given in the form k times log base a of x. So for the first example, we've got log base a of 1 over x. So first of all, let's think what power of x is 1 over x. It's x to the minus 1. So we could write this as log base a of x to the minus 1. Now we don't want this power of x in here, we just want x being logged. So using the third rule, the power comes out the front of the log, so we're going to get minus log a of x. Good times. Similar mission here. This time we've got log base a of the square root of x. So, what power of x is square rooting it? It's 1/2. So we've got log base a of x to the power of 1/2. Now the power just comes out the front and multiplies the log. So this is the same as 1/2 log base a of x. Good times. Okay, now let's go the other way then with the third law. So we're starting off with logs in the form k times log a of x. This time we want to write them in the form log base a of x to the power k. So, first up, we've got 3 log base a of x. So the 3 now comes inside and acts as a power of x. So we get log base a of x cubed. And then for our second example, we've got minus 1/3 log base a of x. So this is the same as log base a of x to the minus 1/3, which we could take one step further and write as log base a of 1 over the cube root of x. Let's chuck some numbers in. So first up we've got 3 log 4. Now this is log of 4 to the power 3, which is log 64. And then the second example, 1/2 log 36 is log 36 to the power of 1/2, which of course is square rooting 36, so it's log 6. Okay, let's stick it all together now then with some questions. So, log 8 add to log 2. I'm going to show you 2 ways that we can do this. So, first way, probably the easiest way, is to sort out 2 log 2. So we can get log 8 add log 4. So remember the 2 on the outside acts as a power of 2. So we get log of 2 squared, which is log 4. And then they add together. Log 8 and log 4 is log 8 times 4. So log 32. Another way that we could do it is turn log 8 into log 2. So log 8 we could write as 3 log 2, because that would be log of 2 to the power 3. So then we've got 3 log 2 add 2 log 2. So if we add those together, we can get 5 log 2, which then by the rules of logs is log of 2 to the power 5, which again gives us log 32. Either way is fine. I would say the first was easier, but either way is fine. Okay, last example, and then so we want to simplify this bad boy. So, log 8 add log 4 over 4 log 2. So, let's first of all simplify the top, see what happens. So we get log of 8 times 4, which is 32. So we get log 32 over 4 log 2. Now, what would be really nice here is if we could write the top in terms of log 2, and then the logs cancel out completely. So, can we do that? The answer is yes, we can. Log 32 is 5, is log of 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 is 32. So, we've got log of 2 to the power 5 over 4 log 2. Now the top we can write as 5 log 2. So we got 5 log 2 over 4 log 2. So we have a common factor of log 2. So that buggers off and leaves us with just 5/4. Lovely. Okay guys, hope this has helped. So next up, we are looking at solving logarithmic equations. Good times.